enjoy our assembly and congratulations to the students who have gotten one or more determined poll. Also, thank you for our guests for taking your time coming to our assembly. Now sit back and enjoy the show. We are PR. We are PRLUDS. We are proud. You can see it every day by what we do and what we say. We are MM Seylar Griffiths. We are proud. We are P. We are PR. We are PRLUDS. We are proud. You can see it every day by what we do and what we say. We are MM Seylar Griffiths. We are proud.
What is a challenge you faced this school year?
A challenge I faced this year is to try to improve my handwriting skills.
My challenge this year was making friends.
Was when I couldn't get through my one writing piece, I was gonna give up, but my teacher told me that I could do it, and then I finished.
A challenge I have is going to the nurse's office and missing types of instructions in class for special activities.
So the toughest challenge this year was making the clay turtles because I had to soften the clay and I also had to use new tools to make the turtles.
How did the challenge make you feel?
I'm nervous, but I keep my head up high and keep on trying, and I keep working and hopefully get it correct. I am very nervous and I start to shake. When something's challenging, I'm nervous, but I have to keep trying, and hopefully I get it correct.
I feel challenged, but I get through because I know I can do it and I believe in myself.
I'm nervous, but I can get through.
When something's hard for me, I just say that I can do it and I never give up and I always have a positive attitude about it and I'm always optimistic about it.
What did you say to yourself when faced with a challenge?
I tell myself I can do it.
I tell myself I can do it and never give up.
It's that I know if I get over it and it's done, it'll be a whole lot better.
When I'm in a challenge, I believe in myself. In a challenge, I tell myself to believe in myself and eventually I'll get it done.
Face a challenge, I tell myself not to give up and keep going.
When I face challenges, I know I can do it because I never give up and I keep on trying.
This year's theme has been Work Hard, Dream Big. This reminds us that our goals and dreams are more than just wishes. Making dreams come true takes a lot of hard work and practice. It means hanging on to what is important even when you feel like giving up because it is frustrating, overwhelming, and disappointing. But you gotta remember that you can't wish for it, you need to work for it.
Raise your hand if you know what ADD or ADHD is. Okay, so most of you. ADHD stands for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. Basically what ADHD does is it can make it very difficult to focus and sometimes makes you very hyper. ADHD isn't something you can catch like a cold and it never goes away. ADHD made it hard for me to focus in class, and I would sometimes get into trouble because I was so energetic. Sometimes the support you get isn't enough, and you continue to struggle. There's nothing wrong with that. You can talk to a counselor, doctor, parents, or teacher, and they can help you out. In my case, though, I knew that none of the things that those people were doing were working, so I said to my parents, "Hey, what do you think about military school?" Military school is very difficult and expensive, but I knew that it would work for me. I love my new school, Camden Military Academy. It is in South Carolina and very reputable. I enjoy my school so much and love the opportunities that they have. It's tough though, and it takes a lot of determination to make it through the year. There have been many times in my life where I was ready to give up, but I never did. Now I am in a school that I love and proud to be a part of. My grades have improved drastically, and I've made lots of new friends. But just because I've accomplished all this doesn't mean I don't still struggle. I still have trouble focusing in class, and sometimes I say things without thinking about the consequences. I'm sure a lot of you guys do that, right?